Hello, my name is Ann Koo. I would like to invite you to take my introduction to the ukulele, known as Intro to the Uke, at Passim School of Music. What you'll learn is how to hold your lovely instrument and how to tune it. And those are the only two things you need, your ukulele and a tuner. What will you learn? Learn to hold it, tune it, read chord charts or chord diagrams, song sheets, and how to play 2 and 3 chord songs. It's really the fastest way and the easiest way to get you to play music and engage with other people, engage and connect with other people. This is a C chord. This is also C chord. So which one do you play? This is an F chord. This is also an F chord. But it doesn't have to be that difficult. And what's more, because these sessions are in Zoom, they're all recorded, so you could play back and review. I will supply a handout for every class, and I promise that you will love it. So hope you join me in September. Thank you.